Purple.
Purple.
Green.
Green.
Mm.
Yellow.
Yellow. Green.
Green.
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Pink.
Orange.
Orange.
What done?
All done? Here. Hold on to this. Right here. Hold on. Just like that. I'm going to dip it. Let it go down in there. There we go. We'll let it sit in there for a minute. You see the egg in the blue?
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Here goes.
You see? Look at that pretty egg you made.
The egg.
You want to do another one?
No.
What color?
White.
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 Gentle.
That's good.
Good. Now let it sit.
Okay, go ahead. Good job.
Number 8.
Oh, good job.
58.
I made it.
58.
Pretty eggs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Good job.
8.
11 eggs. Good job, sweetheart.
Yeah, 8. Yeah, 8. Yeah, 8. Yeah, 8. Purple 8. New. Okay.
Happy Easter.
Do 8. 1, 2.
Perfect.
Tap. Shadow. Tap, 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 tap.
Are you making your choo-choo train?
Honey, do twin. Do twin.
Sleepy boy. Let's see if you can see outside. We got bunnies and birds. Springtime.
Twin.
Hey, sweetheart. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. That's pretty yellow. We're being stalked by birds. They want to come over to the bird feeder. And you can tell the squirrel's been here. Bird feeder is empty. Bird seeds on the ground. Can you draw a circle? Good job. How about a triangle?
Purple.
Got my herb garden started. And over here we've got 12 tomato plants. And over here we've got sweet banana peppers, 4 plants of those, and then 4 cherry tomato plants. And what in the world happened to the leaves on that one? But that was a bunny. That's what I thought he'd do. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing with your chalk? We hear this all day, every day. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. My son is playing with crayons in the sandbox. Whatever makes him happy, right? And then we've got this guy who keeps turning into his hat and getting mad. Hello.
Such a sweet little guy. So sweet. So sweet. Yeah, not a fan. Not a fan, Mom.
Tanner. Today was a pretty good day. It's surprising, it was pretty good. Now if every day could be like today, that would be wonderful. Finally getting a little routine down with the boys is nice. Except for when the terrible twos come out. Do you need help? See, I don't think wouldn't it be wonderful just to be in the brain of a 2-year-old and understand what's they fuss about all the time and what's wrong? What are you doing? Where'd you go? Hi.